Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash unstuffing for the week. I have some purchases that I made with my card that I need to take back to the bank. So I wrote them all down here and I'm just going to pull all the money out and take it back to the bank. And then I'm also going to do a little condensing since I'll have some money, hopefully some larger bills that I can condense some envelopes with. Okay, so first thing I want to actually do the coffee one first because I usually just stick the money in here. Just my preference to pull the money out and take it back and do all that fun stuff. So I have $20 here that I reloaded on my app. So that is coffee, all done for the week. Okay, and then next I have, I don't think any of these envelopes, because right now, I just have these envelopes in here. So I'm going to go to, I'm starting to buy Christmas presents. So I bought my nephew a bunch of stuff on Amazon. So I spent $100 for him. He's my godson, so he gets a little bit more money when it comes to gifts for the year. So I have 20, 40, 60, 81. So I'm going to take 100 back to the bank for his presents that I got. Thankfully, he had a nice long list of stuff, so I was able to get him some good things. And then I have $20 left for him. But so far, he's the only one. I'm still working on everybody else, so that one is the only one from my Christmas binder. Next, I'm going to go into this one. I think, yeah. Okay, so I have Target, or gifts. Actually, I'm going to do gifts first. So I have $7 from gifts because I bought a candle for my friend for her housewarming. So 5, 6, 7. So that was at Target. So that's $7 there. I gave her a gift card and then I wanted something with the gift card. I didn't just want to give her the gift card. I could have, but I wanted like a bag with a gift. So I bought a candle. So 10, 20, 25, 30, $35 is left in gifts. And I took 7. All right, next I have another Target purchase. This one was at the dollar spot. Or not sorry, dollar spot, bullseye section, like the little section by the front of the store, and I spent $6. I bought this like little frame that has a bell on it and it says ring in the new year. I thought that was cute because I usually don't have like any new year decorations for New Year's for my place, and I thought that was a cute one. It was only $5, but with tax I rounded it up to 6. So that is the Target one. So I have $6 and I'm left with 10. Okay, so far so good. $10 left in Target. Initially when I started, some people ask me like, why do you have a Target envelope? Because, you know, basically Target has all the categories I already have in my binders. I have household stuff, I have clothing, beauty, all those kind of are covered. But Target, when I first started this one, it was with the intention of using it to pay for things at the bullseye section, because that section always got me in trouble. Before I started doing this system, I would overspend too much over there because things are like $3, $5. Sometimes you can find things for $1, and then those things like really add up, you know, once you start adding to your cart. So I kind of started this for that, but now it's become an envelope where I can combine it with other envelopes. So if I wanted to take this Target one and combine it with like my beauty envelope just to bump it up a little bit more, I can do that. With my clothing envelope, I can bump it up a little bit more. So that's why I like to use that one. Or sometimes I just choose to use the Target one. Like maybe I'm saving for, like in clothing, I'm saving for some new shoes and I don't want to spend from this one, but I have some Target money, and if I'm shopping at Target, then I can use this here. So that's kind of how I figure it out for myself, and it works for me. So yeah, that's how I do that one. All right, I have one more envelope which is in this pink one. And this one is in Disneyland. So I went to Disneyland over the weekend and I did use my card once to pay for some Dole Whip, and I think I got a water. That's why that's kind of expensive. The water was really expensive. So that was $14. So I'm just going to take 15 here and give myself $1 back. And that pays for that. Sometimes out of convenience, I'll just pay with my card. And I was holding like 2 things in my hands and I really didn't want to. I just felt like it was just easier for me to pay with my card at that moment. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 is what I have left in Disneyland. Usually like my sister's with me and I'll hand things to her. Sometimes she'll help me out. But yeah, just decided to pay with my card this time around. Okay, that's 14. But again, this is why I write these down, so that way, even though I paid with my card, it's still coming out of these envelopes. Like I'm still spending from them and trying to stay within this budget I've set for myself. So, okay, so I have $44 left in there. I did buy a pin with this envelope too, so yeah, I did use some cash when I was there. All right, so that's it. That was everything in here. Okay, I thought I was gonna have more bills than I have here, but that's okay. I thought I was gonna have more like larger ones, but I forgot I only did 20s for my nephews. I didn't do 50s. Did I not do 50s? I'm not sure. Anyways, that's okay. I could maybe try to use these 20s to condense a little bit. But first, before I get to that part, I'm gonna make sure I have 147 over here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. Okay, perfect. So I do have 147, so this is correct. And all of this is just gonna go back into my checking account just to, since I already spent it, just go back into checking. Okay, so then the next thing I wanna do is maybe condense these a little bit if I can. I'm actually gonna go into the black binder because this one tends to be the one that gets a little bit fuller, just to see if I can condense it. But I don't have larger bills, so that's okay. Okay, so I can do a 20 here. I can do 10, 15, 20. So I have 1, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 370 in auto repair. Electronics. That one, I think I can do a 10. Yeah, I can do 110 here. So that's 20, 35, 36. Oh, I forgot to take some money out. Sorry, hold on. I completely forgot until I saw this right now. Okay, so actually I need to, because I went out of town, I'm going to take 35 out of road trip. So gas, road trip, 35. Okay, so that means, and then also, where's rainy day? Rainy day, I'm gonna take 20 out of rainy day. Yeah, rainy day. I just forgot to write these down. So 20, okay, so I'm actually gonna have now 147 plus 20 and 35 is 202. Okay, so let me do that first. So I have rainy day. So I took a day off, so I just put a little bit more in my account. This is not my full paycheck, obviously, 20 bucks, but just a little bump up to, put into my account. It's not very much, but that's something I like to do. So I need to get this going a little bit more. Next time on my YouTube paycheck, I think I'm gonna really put a good amount in that one next time around. Gas, since I went out of town, I gotta take money back to the bank for gas. So usually I don't cash stuff or do that kind of stuff for gas on my normal day-to-day driving because I only work like 10 minutes away. I don't really use too much gas for daily driving, but when I go out of town, I like to use this road trip money to fund that. So since I went out of town, it was like an hour and a half there and back. Yeah, an hour and a half there, an hour and a half back. That was about like $30-ish in gas. So I put 35. I think I filled that much before I left. Okay, so that's 35. And then I'm left with 10 here. I don't think I updated my other one, so I need to double check that. Minus 35, left with 10. And road trips. I need to get a little bit more in here because I'm going out of town again. And then let me update this one. So I'm left with 15 because I took 20. Okay, so then everything is all good now. All right, it's cool. I knew I was forgetting something, but that's okay. I'm just gonna double check and make sure I do have 202 over here. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 202. Perfect. Okay. So I can move on to what I was doing before I realized that I hadn't taken all my money out. Okay, so emergency. No, can't do anything with that because I have a bunch of, I have a 5 in here. 20s. I need larger bills. Extra savings looks good. Furniture, I think I can do something here. So I could do 20, 10, 15, 20. So I have 43 in furniture. Okay, rainy day is good. That one's good. Road trip is good. Since he only has 5 subscriptions, maybe I can do something. No, that one's good. And travel. Let's see in here. Okay, I can do a 20. So travel now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. 180 in travel. Okay, so I was able to condense a decent amount in there, so that's not bad. All right, next I want to do this one. I have some savings maybe that I might be able to condense. Let's see. This one maybe. Oh yeah. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I can do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that one's good. Maybe this one. Let's see what I have in here. Okay, I could do a 20. 10, 15, 20. Oh, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, perfect. Okay, and then I have this one maybe. Yeah, I could do a 10. I should actually do a 20. So 10, 15, 20. All right, so all the other ones I'm going to leave as they are, but those are good to go now. Okay, next I'm going to do this one. I still have some 20s, so that's good. All right, so beauty, I can do 20. So beauty has 25. I'm sorry, 45. 45. Clothing has 21. I could do 20 in here. 10, 15, 20. That's my last 20. So that is 21 in clothing. Content. I could do a 10. So that's 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34 in content. Costco. Yeah, this one always needs condensing. Okay, so I can do a 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So that leaves me with 20, 30, 40, 50. Family. That one looks good. Gifts, I'm going to leave it as it is. Home. That one looks good. I could use 20s in there, but I don't have any 20s. Household. Nope, that's good. Target, I think is good. Yeah, okay. And then I have one more. I'm going to do this one right here. Oh, actually, I have this one too. Okay, so that one's good. Disneyland, I think, is good. Fun is good. Oops, I left some money in there. Oh, treat yourself. Oh, I should have condensed this first. Oh, well. Okay. This one's so packed. Oh, I couldn't really condense it. I need more of the larger bills on this one. It's okay. Hobbies. I could do a 10 maybe. Yes. Okay, so hobbies has 20, 30, 40. Okay, cool. Last our binder. I have 2 envelopes in here. I might be able to condense. Yes. So I have 10. So now I have 22 in holiday decor. I'm not thinking I should have taken, no. I was thinking maybe I should have taken that little thing I bought for New Year's out of here, but this is my main focus with this is Christmas and Halloween. So that's fine if I took out a Target. And I bought it at Target, so that makes sense. Okay, this one's good. Alrighty. These are all condensed. So now what I'm going to do is just make sure I still have 202 over here, that I didn't mess up the count. And then I will be all done. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2. So that's 200. Sorry, it was 200. I know I said 100, but it was 202 that I have left over after condensing everything. So that is correct. That's my new total after I added those 2 other envelopes I needed to pull from. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I unstuffed and condensed my envelopes. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.